Welcome back to the New York Medicaid EHR Incentive Program tutorial series, Attesting to 2017 Meaningful Use in the MyPass System. This is part 4 of the 4-part series entitled eSignature and Attestation Submission. This tutorial serves as a guide for eligible professionals who are participating in the New York Medicaid EHR Incentive Program and are attesting to 2017 meaningful use in the MyPass system. You can pause, rewind, or fast forward as needed. Let's continue. Upon completing the eligibility, objective, and clinical quality measure portion of your meaningful use attestation, you will be brought back to the EP summary screen. You'll notice that your status has changed from incomplete to pass for all 3 categories. You'll also see that a button has appeared that reads Complete Attestation. Click the Complete Attestation button. Clicking the Complete Attestation button will bring you to the New York Medicaid EHR Incentive Program attestation page. Your MyPass username and the date will appear at the bottom of the disclosure. After reading the full disclosure, click the checkbox to attest, I accept the terms and conditions. Enter the initials of the provider or authorized official, delegated official, staff end user or surrogate, as defined in the above terms, who is attesting at this time. It is not necessary to print and sign this page. A wet signature is not required. Click the Submit button to complete your attestation. You've completed your meaningful use attestation and you've been brought to the MyPass attestation screen. Open the PDF document and save it for your records. In the event of a possible post-payment audit, providers should retain documentation to support their attestation for no less than 6 years after each payment year. It is not necessary to mail a copy of the completed attestation to the Department of Health. Your attestation is complete. You can click the Done button or navigate off the browser window. Congratulations, you've completed the New York Medicaid EHR Incentive Program tutorial, Attesting to 2017 Meaningful Use in the MyPass System. This is the final tutorial of the 4-part series.